I'm Jason Beheler, VP of Chemistry Services here at Sonny's The Car Wash Factory. Today, I'm going to show you something that'll make a real difference in how you manage your car wash chemicals. Our new Bullseye 15-gallon container. These are our brand new 15-gallon Bullseye containers. So this is a complete redesign from our older tank, which actually held 11. This one will hold 15. So one of the reasons we adjusted the size is we got feedback from our customers where they wanted to be able to use a full case whenever they poured it in. So this enables us to be able to take 3 full cases, 6 2.5-gallon jugs, and pour it in. It fits perfectly. So for on-site adjustments, what you have here is you got a sight glass tube. Sight glass tube is set in milk. Sight glass tube allows chemical to flow into it. That's where you're drawing product, right? So down here at the bottom, you have a valve. So the chemical and the sight glass tube are connected. You turn the valve off, all your product's flowing through here. You run a car, you'll actually be able to pull volumetrics to that particular point. We've integrated the sight glass tube to prevent leaking. So we 100% leak test every single tank before we ship it out to the field. We've reduced the amount of leak points. Leveling tray allows you to actually, there's leads in the bottom that allow you to keep your chemical level and stable right where you need them. Doesn't matter what the temperature is, if it's hot, if it's cold. Similar to our old design, you actually have a lid that's actually integrated into the tank. When you lift the tank, you would take the chemical, pour it in, it'll puncture on the spout, and then dispose of the chemistry at that point. Ideally, what you want in a back room is you want uniformity, right? So it's gonna look good. Every container set up the same way. It brings a clean look, right? You don't have a lot of drums sitting in the back room or anything like that. With Bullseye's new 15-gallon containers, you're not only getting new packaging, you're upgrading your entire operation. Step up your game with Sonny's and see the difference for yourself. Visit us online or give us a call for a free site evaluation. Trust me, you're gonna love what these can do for your business.